Today we are going to learn how to set up IntelliJ together with the scene builder, and then we create a project from there. So first of all, you have to get your IntelliJ. Make sure that you search for IntelliJ community. I will provide the links for you, and then make sure you go down and then you select the community version, because the ultimate one you'd have to pay. So then you just click on download. It will automatically download, and then you go to this website, you search for scene builder, and then you download that one too as well. So you download it from here, but since I already have it, let's just skip it. Let me just cancel them. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. So this is my IntelliJ open right now. So what you have to do is to go to new project. You select JavaFx from the side pane over here, and then the name of your project, let's leave it as that, demo, and then the directory that you want your project to be in. Let me just select projects, and then let me make it JavaFx. Yeah, so don't touch anything, let's just move forward. And from here you just click on create. Yeah, which will create a new project, a JavaFX project for you. So what you have to do is that since you have installed your scene builder and then your IntelliJ, you do have to manually configure your IntelliJ to run the scene builder. So you go to your settings. On top of here, you go to settings, under languages, and then frameworks. You see JavaFX over here. Then you provide the path to your JavaFX when you were installing it. So on Mac, just copy this. I will leave this one as well in the description. You copy this and then you put it over here, and then click on OK. So this is a new project, so let's try running the new project in scene builder, and let's see. So you go under your source main, under the resources, you see hello view fxml over here. So you right click on it, and then you go to open in scene builder, which will automatically open this in scene builder over here. That's what we have over here. So what scene builder is for is that you get to do your drag and drop. So when you click on hello, this is what comes, right? Yeah, so you get to do your drag and drop, and then you do your UI, you implement your UI over there, you design it over here, and then it will automatically be refreshed to over here. So let's just create a simple project. This is just a dummy project, so let's just manually create a simple project over here. Let me just close this one, and then under the Java, and then this is our project, right? So this application, we don't even have to touch it at all. So it's just the hello controller. This controller is where we have to put all our logic into. So let's delete everything over here, right? So this side pane is where you use to configure your UI, you use to design your UI. So let's create an anchor pane, right? You do it's a drag and drop, right? So you just drag and drop onto it, and then let's say if we want a text field, right, you just come over here and then you search for text field, and then you drag and drop the text field onto it like that, and then the length, whatever length you want it to be. So one thing about this is, okay, let's type something. Is it type something? So we have these three tabs over here: the properties, the layout, and the code. We will touch the code later on, but let's focus on the properties and then the layout. So this is the prompt text. So we have this over here, and then let's see something. You see, over here when you resize it, you see that it's overlapping, right? It's overflowing, sorry. So what we can do is to go inside the layout, sorry, go inside the layout. You make over here 0 because you want it to fit. This is just like if you are coming from HTML or CSS background, we have absolute, yeah, so absolute positioning, right? So you make here, this place is the right is 0, and then our left to make it 0, right? So that means whenever we resize this anchor pane, it's adaptive, right? It also adapts to the sizing, which the text field also adapts. So what we have to do, let's create another button over here. So let's just search for a button. Okay, button, and then let's put it over here. Okay, and then in this button, let's go to the properties, and then let's change the text, right? And then as you can see, it's changing itself. So what we are planning to do is that this anchor pane, right, this window has a title, which is hello. Over here, this is it. And then upon pressing this OK button, you want to change this title to whatever we have over here, right? So what we have to do is that we have to implement that logic inside our controller, this hello controller over here. So what we have to do is that we have to find a way to allocate an ID to this text field, right? So let's click on this text field, and then let's go to code, and then let's give it an ID of, say, or something. Yeah, text field text. And then after giving it an ID, we give this also an action, because when you press on it, we want a certain action to occur, right? So let's just say okay. So that's it for everything. So what we have to do next is that we have to go inside over here, and then inside the controller we have to link our project controller to the controller inside of the scene builder over here. So we just right click this controller, and then you go to path or reference, and then you just copy the reference over here, and then you paste it over there. Yeah, so this is it, right? Then then that's it. So what we have to do is that we can go inside the view over here, and then we can, so what scene builder does is it automatically generates the controller over you after editing it, so you don't have to be writing all those things, the controller things. So you just copy it, and then you go inside our controller, but make sure that you save it pressing Control or Command on Mac, and then S. So you see changes saved to hello view fxml. So inside this hello view, you can see that we have changed this OK button tab and all that over here. Inside our controller, let's select everything and let's paste what we copied over here. So what we want to do is that let's first run it, and then let's see what yeah, so let's run it from here, and then we see what we are working with right now. This is it, right? And then let's go inside our controller, and then we have this text over here. So what we can do is that we can get our main window. Let's say our main window is equal to this text over here dot window, right? We first get the scene, and then we get our window over here. After getting this window, we just set our we get our title from the text that we have over there, right? And then we get our text over here. After that, we get the window, right? And then we get our title. Let's go inside our home. But one thing we have to do is this dimensions, we have to remove it from there, and then it will use the dimensions from our scene builder instead of what we were doing. Okay. Yes, so let's rerun everything again. Okay, so now you can see that it's using the dimension from our scene builder, and then let's type hello world. And now when you press OK, then you can see that the title of your window has been changed to what you have over here. Now you can see. Yeah, so guys, this is the end of the video. I'll be coming with another video so that we implement an inventory app straight right from the beginning till the end. Don't forget to subscribe and then like this video. Yeah, I'm out.